The vegetables look so fresh today.
I'm helping, Amma.
Good work, beta.
It's so much fun. Look, butterflies. Let's catch them.
Be careful, dears.
Enjoy the chase.
We will.
Look how beautiful it is, my dear.
A gift for our little one.
Wow, it's so pretty. Look, butterflies. Let's catch them.
Be careful, dears.
Enjoy the chase.
We will.
The old stories always begin with a warm hearth and fresh vegetables from the garden.
We're helping.
The vegetables smell wonderful.
They do. Listen to this.
What is it?
A poem about home. The old stories always begin with a warm hearth and fresh vegetables from the garden.
We're helping.
Here you go, dear.
Thank you, Mama.
And for you, son,
Thanks, Papa. You should try this too.
here, have some more.
And for you, my dear.
Thank you, Papa, Mama.
The breeze is so soothing today.
It is. The children are happy.
Look, brother, my doll is flying.
Look, the birds are going to their nests.
Yes, it's beautiful. Let's get home.
Wow, I see the nest.